Hi dear ones, greetings. Welcome to my kitchen, my cucina, which is Greek for kitchen, and cucina, which is Italian for kitchen. You can see them up on the wall. Cucina, cucina, bless our kitchen. I'm an Italian American, found out I had Greek roots. I'm married to a Greek American. He found out he had Italian roots, and we eat very clean to help us with health. I helped my husband through a health challenge. I discovered all these things. So we eat gluten-free, grain-free, and I'm here to share a recipe with you that you can eat that is very delicious. So this is Delicata squash. This makes a great side. It's seasonal, and when it's in season, it's great to have. It looks like this when you're done, these little half moon things, and they are so delicious. I love these. You can make them either savory or sweet. So the thing is to cut them. Make sure you have a sharp knife. I start by cutting them in half, then I quarter them, then take all the seeds out. You definitely want to take the seeds out till you get a half moon shape. I'm putting them in this bowl because we have an organic community garden and we have an organic compost. So that is so nice. I love that. The organic community garden is in the neighborhood, and just a great way to be connected to your neighbors. Then you want to cut these into half moons. So you just turn it over and you cut them. You see? You want to make them all half sizes. Next, you want to get a tray and put parchment paper on it. Since we also live very clean, because you don't want chemicals getting into your body, affects your immune. I didn't know that parchment paper can have bleach on it when it's white. So I use this parchment paper, and that's on my resources page at cynthiadedona.com, and I'll put it down in the description. So when you have your little half moon sizes, you put them in a bowl. I'm still cutting them. Make sure you have a sharp knife. Be careful. You can also cut them with the seeds, which I just did. Whatever works. This is intuitive cooking. Do it whatever way you want to. What makes you feel good. So here they are. Then I am making these sweet. I'm adding a little bit of maple syrup. You don't have to, but you can. If you want to make them savory, leave that out. Then extra virgin olive oil, sea salt, organic garlic powder. I'm adding a little turmeric, which is a great anti-inflammatory, and granulated onion powder. You can put other herbs in there and then mix it. I'm just doing a little amount because for timing, I already cooked these. My husband and I ate a lot of them already. So, and then you want to put them on the tray like this, and you would have a whole roll if you hadn't eaten them all like we did. Do your best to shop organic, to eat organic. I know it can be costly or pricely, but go to the Environmental Working Group website and you could see what the 10 foods not to buy with pesticides if you're on a budget, and the 10 foods to buy organic. You know, like for example, berries will have the highest concentrated of pesticides. You want to do your best to try and get those organic. You can sometimes find, you know, like organic blueberries are affordable, frozen in little packs, and you know, do what you can. You can also grow herbs on your windowsill or on your patio, or maybe start a community garden with your neighbors. Because the herbs, when you buy them, you know, they're not inexpensive. They're like $5. You use a few leaves, but if you're growing them, it's a great way to save money. We've tried many things, community shared agriculture, where you pay a subscription and you receive a food box, depending what's going on with the health climate. You know, if that is available, you can look into it. But do your best. I see some stores actually have been having organic produce on sale. So your body will thank you. So now you take this, you've put it on here, and you're going to cook it 400 degrees in the oven. I'd say start with 20 minutes. You're looking for them to be light brown. And then midway, take them and flip them over. Cook another 20 minutes. I mean, it could be longer. How, you know, you want them a little bit brown. And the bottom part will be brown. So the top part will be light. You flip that over. Or you can just not flip them over, but make sure you check the bottom. And you can eat the skin. So you want to scrub these with a vegetable brush, which I also have in my resources page too. So I just think it's a great way to eat your veggies. And oh, look, TV cooking. It's ready. Let me try one. Thank you, God. Delicious. I love it. Love my veggies. You can also, if you want to, you can pour more olive oil over it. Or if you got a sweet tooth, you put a little more maple syrup. Maple syrup is actually a good prebiotic. It has minerals. But depending on what, you know, how much, I do my best not to eat a lot of sugar at all. I try to get the sweetness from the natural vegetables and the fruits and veggies. So I am eyeing this and I want to eat more of these, but I'll do it off camera. Maybe I'll do it right now. I think you're going to love them. A great side dish, a great snack. Just remember, when you're cooking, you're nourishing yourself, you're nourishing your loved ones. If you do live alone and you've got no one to eat with, make a Zoom date. Or have tea with someone, or cook with someone by Zoom that you love, or a friend, or check out our videos so you don't feel so alone. And just realize when you get to sit down with your loved one, that is a gift. Okay? So I'm sending wishes of good health and living well with joy and intention to you from my kitchen. Cynthia the Donut signing off. If you want to get more tips, subscribe to my channels, and also go to cynthiathedonut.com and sign up for my newsletter. Take care. See you soon.